Hello guys, Christmas time is coming soon. I will assemble for you sandwich cake. Ingredients: prepare 18 pieces of loaf bread, 3 batches of mayonnaise, 1, 2, 3, eggs, pineapple tidbits, shrimps, sweet corn, pickle relish, lettuce, cabbage, white onion, red onion, carrot, tomatoes, red bell pepper, apple, and onion chives. By the way guys, this is our optional toppings: thyme, basil, and cheese. Ibabad natin ang ating peaches sa baking soda for 5 minutes. 3 or 5 minutes okay na. Para malinis kasi raw lahat ang ating gagamitin sa ating cake. Slice the apples. Then ibabad sa tubig na may kalamansi or lemon para hindi manilaw. Ibabad. Then slice natin ang carrots. Like this. And the pickle relish. This is for our first layer. Then the next is the mayonnaise and our pineapple tidbits. This is now the 3 batches of our mayonnaise. This one is for the first layer, and this one is for the second layer, and this is for the top one. Let us now assemble our sandwich cake. And the first layer, let let us put this. This is now the first layer. Then the second layer. Let us assemble the second layer. For the second layer, let us now put this one, our mayo with pineapple tidbits. Let us now assemble our third layer. By the way guys, nag-add tayo ng 2, 4, 6, 8 na maliliit na loaf bread para maglaki siya. And for the finale, let us put our mayonnaise on the top side, our toppings. Let us also put mayonnaise on the sides. Lagay natin lahat ang ating mga toppings. And now, we will put the shrimps. Then, sweet corn. Then, let us put the cheese. Top with cheese. This is just optional. Then, thyme.